What is family constellation? Family constellation is a therapeutic approach developed by Bert Hellinger, which allows you to explore the root cause of your issue. Whether you're going through a financial block, there is a career blockage, there is a blockage in your relationship, in your marriage, or you're suffering from an illness or a disease and you've tried everything and it's not responding to medical treatments. To look at the root cause of that, the principle in family constellation is that it didn't start with you. Somewhere in your genetic line, either from the maternal side or paternal side, someone has gone through either a similar issue or something that is causing the issue right now in your life. To give you an example, we were working on a client with an OCD issue. Her OCD was about she wouldn't be able to cross a line. So on the floor, if there is a line, she will not be able to cross it. And by any chance, if she steps on the line, she will just freeze over there. So when we explored that in a family constellation session, we realized that her great grandparent had gone through the horrendous experience of partition. And that line represented the India Pakistan border. So, whatever that experience for that ancestor was, kind of that trauma got transferred down the genetic line. And in her case, as the great granddaughter, it translated into something more physical. It manifested as something like a physical issue for her. When we looked at that root cause, when we healed the ancestors, when we healed that genetic line during a constellation using three or four other representatives, that issue started getting resolved. Within 3 to 4 months' time, she was able to walk freely, she was able to step on the line, and she was able to live her life more normally than what she had known till that particular point. Now, how does a family constellation session work? First and foremost, we create an energy matrix, which is a representation of your life, of your subconscious mind, of what is going on in your space. Now, we can do this physically and we can do this online. Doing an online session, we use a visual representation software specifically designed for family constellation. When you see a room like that, it represents your life and you personify these issue and the elements, then it gives you a greater clarity. So, for example, we will put a representation of the client on the field. We will put a representation of the issue itself on the field. And we will put a representation of the root cause of that issue. When the client sees or when we see the interaction between these three elements, there is a lot of clarity that gets generated. For example, if somebody is working on the relationship block, a representation might just stand in front of the client, giving you the visual clarity that where is that block placed in my life right now? Is it not allowing me to move forward? Is it blocking my view, my vision, my perception? And then what is the root cause of that? The interaction between the three elements is something that will give you the insight and awareness of what is happening and why is this happening in your life. We use surrogates or representatives who are trained healers to do this work to represent the client issue and the root cause of it. And once the awareness is there, the energy starts to lighten up and then the healing begins. It's actually a very simple technique, but very powerful. It's a 1 hour session within which you'll be able to resolve that one particular issue by understanding what is the root cause and by healing it and integrating it. Who can benefit the most from family constellation sessions? People who have illnesses and diseases that are no longer responding to medical treatment, or you would like alternative therapy to start having an effect in curing and healing those diseases. That's number one. Number two, you can work on your financial blockage. You can work on your block to relationship, block to marriage, any sort of block that you feel, but you can't get your finger around why it is happening and I'm doing everything right, but I'm still not getting anywhere, then that is the session for you. For anyone who is not having the time or the effort to go through months and months of psychotherapy, one family constellation session is almost equivalent to 3 months of psychotherapy. So it's very strong, it's very powerful, it's very effective, and you can pretty much work on any of the things in your life with a constellation session. You can also work on your family members. So this becomes very easy a tool and a therapy if you would like to work on your mother, if you like to work on your father, if you like to work on your children. because being a part of the system, any of the family members can get a session or a healing done for their other family members. So, what are these things that you would feel during the session and after the session? So initially, especially during your first family constellation session, it can be actually a little overwhelming because you realize that I have not even told you the details, and the surrogates or the representatives are saying exactly what I have felt today or a week before or even years before. So it can be a little shocking and it can be a little overwhelming because a lot of emotions, pent up emotions start to come up. For other people, they might not feel anything immediately in their bodies while the session is going on. But over the next 3, 4 days, they start to feel those emotions come up in the body and it starts to dissipate. So typically, the effectiveness of a family constellation session can be known within 3 weeks of the session because that's the amount of time it takes for the body to start releasing the pent up emotions, the blockages, or anything else that has been heavy in your space. So, if you would like to know more about family constellation therapy, you can book a clarity call and you can also follow our channel because we will be posting from this point onward a lot of cases that we have worked on that might give you the insight and that might give you the inspiration to start working on yourself and create a life that you have imagined you having and create the potential that you know you truly are. If you would like to know more about family constellation work, family constellation therapy, how this can help you, or if this is something that is even required for you to work on your issue, then you can book a clarity call with us and we can do a one on one consultation to see, to gauge, to understand whether this is something that would contribute to you.